In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Close CRM. Whether you're a small business owner, a sales professional, or anyone who needs to manage contacts efficiently, this process is going to simplify your life. Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Leads page. You'll find this accessible from your main dashboard. Once you're there, look over at the left side toolbar. You should see a section labeled Leads. Right next to it, you'll find a handy plus button. This is your go-to for creating new entries, so go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked the plus button, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. Specifically, you'll need to input the company name and the contact name. This step is crucial because it lays the foundation for your new lead entry. Taking a moment here to ensure you have the correct spelling and details is going to be very helpful down the line, especially as your CRM fills up with multiple entries. It helps to have a systematic approach to naming and input to maintain consistency, so keep that in mind. Now, after you've filled in the company and contact name fields, you'll want to locate and click on the Create Lead button. This command will officially add your new lead to the CRM. A small tip: always double-check your entries before hitting Create Lead, just to ensure that all information is accurate and complete. After all, in managing customer relations, accuracy is key. But we're not done just yet. Once the lead is officially created, you can further enrich it by adding more contacts. To do that, simply navigate to the Leads page that you just created. On this page, you'll spot an Add Contact button. Clicking this allows you to include additional contacts related to that particular lead, which is especially useful if you're dealing with a company that has multiple points of contact. Plus, organizing your CRM this way can offer a more comprehensive view of your interactions with each entity or organization. By adding more contacts, you're really taking full advantage of Close CRM's capabilities to manage relationships effectively. It gives you the power to document each significant interaction and lets your CRM act as a robust repository of useful data. So, spend a moment to enter as much relevant detail as each contact provides, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or any particular notes that might help in the future. With that, you have successfully added new contacts into your Close CRM system. It's a straightforward process, but one that can greatly enhance your organizational abilities once you understand the workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to manage your contacts more effectively within Close CRM. Happy organizing!